Good morning. Guess what day it is? Sturgis Day. Finally, we've been waiting a year and the day has finally come and we're leaving for Sturgis. So it's about 3 a.m. We're at our first gas stop in Forest Hill, California. Today we're making our way to Las Vegas. So we're taking 80 up to Reno, across the Fallon and down the 95, and hoping to pop into the Rhyiolite Ghost Town down there by Beatty. We've been there before, but I want to go down there, get some drone footage. But we're excited. The bike is packed up. Thanks to Joe, we got some really good tips on how to pack. So yeah, Joe from Arizona, thank you. We got our rock straps and we're using a barbecue cover as waterproof. To waterproof our belongings. It's not going to rain today, but we got to set up anyway. So but come with us, join us for the ride. We're going to be doing probably about 8 episodes on this channel. So all to do with Sturgis. We're going to some amazing places and we're taking you with us. Jenny, you got anything to say?
Sturgis, here we come.
Yeah, baby, let's go. So we made it to Hawthorne. The time, so it's 7:45. So a little bit of a cool ride up there from Forest Hill through Reno and whatnot. Got pretty chilly down to like high 40s. Starting to warm up now. First time on 95, beautiful road. Best thing about it, no traffic. And yeah, I want to declare the speed, but yeah, really nice road to ride, beautiful. So we're heading down. I think the next stop's going to be Tonopah. We're going to refuel again, and from there it'd be Beatty. But otherwise we're all having a good time. Say we all, me and Jenny, right now. We're going to be meeting Tong, Chow and Haji in Vegas once we get there today. But otherwise we just keep on going, because it's a good day. So we're in Beatty. Yeah, we're only just like about 100 miles outside of Vegas. So we're going to venture into a little bit of Death Valley. It's not overly hot, so, and it's still early. It's like around 10:45. So we're going to venture into Death Valley a little bit and check out Rhyiolite Ghost Town, get some drone footage, and make our way to Vegas. But yeah, we're a little over 100 miles out right now, so we've been making good time, really good time. We're gonna have something to eat and just gassed up again, and we'll get going. Found our way back to Rhyiolite, the ghost town. So this town was established in the early 1900s. Water, power, everything was supplied here. And it lasted for about 3 or 4 years, and everyone left. Hence all the buildings that have been standing here and just kind of decaying. But this is Rhyiolite. So we are in Beatty, whatever, and we are at that Happy Burrito. There's something pretty neat in here that I want to go check out, have something to drink, and just chill out for a bit. Let's go in.
Well, that's where I was smoking. But I was smoking menthol.
You're smoking the short Marlboro. What can I help you with?
You guys.
Can I have chili in the beer? Yes, you can. Are you old enough? Yes,
Now you made her day.
Now.
She old enough.
I have this one, honey. Oh, okay. This one, the drinks. For right now, honey, if you want a draft beer, we have PBR and Bud Light. The rest were out until tomorrow.
No, actually, Summer came to pick up.
These are
Danielle
ice cold.
and, Lucas is
Cheers.
ready to go, so I wrote in with them.
Happy Sturgis.
No, no worries. No, no worries.
Nothing has been quite
we're on the 95. Not sure where. We're about 45 minutes from Vegas, over 100 degrees. Wind coming at us from all different angles. It's all good, and then all of a sudden it's a gust and we're getting bounced around, but it's all good. So we should be there in 30-45 minutes, check in the hotel, relax, maybe take a dip in the pool. How you doing, Jay?
Dehydrated.
She got her Gatorade. Bike's doing good though. Bike's doing real good. So we're in Vegas. How was that ride in? I can see more than enough desert for one day. But hey, still good to get here. It's warm. It's about 110, I think. Lovely hotel. Only thing is, the bike's got to be parked in the parking garage half a block away. So that's a bit of a pain, but the hotel's nice, really nice for 88 bucks. Can't go wrong. Really, the room's really clean. Anyway, we're gonna get a little settled and then go get something to eat. But yeah, it's called the what's it called now? Downtown Grand. Okay, so it's 7:30. Very sad, but I think we're gonna get ready to go to bed. We got to be up at 4. Kickstand's up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. A long day. We've been up since, I don't know, 12:30 a.m. But it's been worth it. It's been a great day. So please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. The next one's going to be St. George, Zion, Bryce, Escalante, ending up in Torrey, Utah. So we're doing that. All right. Have a good one.